I'm walking in Vienna, Austria. I'm walking towards the city center. Right now, I'm heading to the bus station. It's pretty far. This area is like an outskirt of the city center of the Vienna. So it's quite far from city center. But if you get a car, if you drive, it's kind of close. It's like a 20 minutes away from the city center. But if you don't, you have to catch the bus. So right now I'm going to the bus station and then go to the shopping mall to get a SIM card for the data plan while I'm staying in Europe. Because I only got a coverage. Because I got a SIM card, I got a T-Mobile. I got a T-Mobile coverage. It doesn't come with like an international coverage in Austria. So the roaming data is pretty expensive right here. It's about 20 euro per megabyte. So I'm not going to spend that kind of money just for that kind of a coverage, for the coverage. So I'm going to buy a new plan that could cover the whole Europe. Pretty cool, huh? It's like a small town. $45, $46. Yeah.